Josh Sheldon would have been proud to sing on. Well, that's it for this week on What's That Noise. Next week, we'll be looking at music that makes you move. Everything from ballet to hip-hop. And you never know, you might even see these feet moving as well. Till then, I've got to get back to my vibes, man.